Sniffles. Why, hello there. Are we being lazy today? You need some help getting around? Reporting. What is it, Sniffles? Is she gonna get up wobbly?
Nah, she likes this.
Hello, Sniffles.
She actually begged for me to do this.
Look at me. Hello, Sniffles. Aren't you pretty? Where's that birdie girl? Where's that birdie girl?
How about I showed a trick where she gets in the bag? Look, as soon as she hears that bag, go back. And listen. Watch what happens when she hears it. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Bag. She's thinking about it. She's like, do I want to get out of the wheelchair and do that?
Yeah. Do I have to? I'm kind of lazy today.
Maybe if I put the bag up there. It takes her a lot to get out of her favorite. Nice.
Just like that requires me to move.
So like, let me just make sure this bag is up to code. The trick is to get in the bag, not on top of the bag. She's like, nah, I'd rather lick it.
Say bye, Sniffles. Oh, my knees are cracking. Sniffles. Say bye. Bye, Sniffles.